Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a toasted tuna sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, about 5 ounces, drained well. Grab 2 slices of your favorite bread, a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a stalk of celery. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for a perfect sandwich. Now, let's prepare the tuna salad. Open your can of tuna and drain it thoroughly to avoid a watery sandwich. Transfer the tuna to a bowl and use a fork to flake it apart. Next, finely chop 1 stalk of celery. This adds a wonderful crunch. Add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the tuna and celery mixture. Stir everything together until it's well combined and creamy. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble the sandwich. Take 1 slice of bread and spread your delicious tuna mixture evenly across it, reaching almost to the edges. Place the second slice of bread firmly on top to complete your sandwich. Now, for the toasting, you can use a toaster oven, a pan on the stovetop, or a sandwich press. Toast it for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the bread is golden brown and the filling is warm. Your toasted tuna sandwich is now ready. Carefully remove it from your toaster or pan. For easier handling and a classic presentation, slice the sandwich diagonally in half. Serve it immediately while it's warm and the bread is perfectly crisp. It pairs wonderfully with a side of potato chips, a pickle spear, or a fresh green salad. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.